Hello everyone, I am Gokul. In this video, we have to try the bass and treble for this Zebronics 4 speaker. Because the latest version of Warrior is Zebronics 4, I have attached the Amazon link in description. If you like this product, kindly check out and purchase. Okay, now I am try to play the speaker. Now I am entering the password and just play the song. There is a little amount of bass in starting the song. Wow, now we are deep bass will emitting there. Super one. Bass 100 out of 100. Yeah. Wow. Where is the song? Only music. Yeah. Wow, super. Huge bass, 100 out of 100. Bass is huge. Best one for a little studio and editor like that. A good speaker. Okay, this is a little mention of our copyright. Okay, thank you. If you like this speaker, I have attached the Amazon link in description. Kindly go there and purchase. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly press the like button and share with your friends. If you have any doubts, kindly comment it below. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Peace out.